Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are showing you Pragati Colony of Bhandara district. This district is located 1.5 kilometers from Nagpur city. So let's see, come with us and join our vlog with this new exploration. So guys, as you can see in front of me is a big newly constructed building which is for residential purpose. It is just now constructed, earlier it was not existed, and in coming months many people will be residing here. So guys, in front of me you are seeing this is a highway which connects Bhandara district to Tumsar district, and many state transport buses are available here which connect these two cities. As I am walking in early morning 6:30 a.m. so there is no traffic and you can see hardly any vehicles, and most of the time you will see trucks and other commercial vehicles which are moving for their business and logistic purpose. Since last many years this Bhandara city has changed a lot. Earlier it was a small town, but now it is growing at very fast pace. In many cities you will see many tall skyscrapers or apartments, but in Bhandara district you will see only some small plots or little bungalows. As the cities grows and commercial activity passes a lot, then you will see many tall skyscrapers in these cities. Now look at that tall skyscrapers. It is not that much tall, but just newly constructed. In coming years you will see a lot of them. So guys, as you can see, it is a temple dedicated to Lord Hanuman. So guys, since I am morning time, it's a very less crowd, and you will see empty roads, and as compared to other big towns like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, the pollution is quite less here, and you won't see much chaos or chaotic people here. It seems someone has kept their almirahs here and lying abandoned. So guys, there are many empty plots here. In future there will be many bungalows or apartments will be constructed, and you will see many such empty plots here in the coming video. Looks like construction activity is going on here. As I told you earlier, a city is developing at fast pace, so we will see many construction work here. So this one is a complete white building. Looks like he has took inspiration from Turkmenistan, since in that country you will see many white color buildings. And this house looks to me like a very religious house, as you can see many religious symbols written here. And this one is Sri Ganesh Hospital. It looks a very multi-speciality hospital with many amenities and facilities. I suggest many people who are living in urban towns, they should visit villages or some suburban cities which are 100 miles or 200 miles away from their city to experience some different kind of life, because you will see a less polluted area, less chaotic areas, and also you will feel a peace of mind here. Now look at that green patch, so amazing it looks. Hardly you will find such places in Delhi NCR region. Now in front of me is a state transport bus operating early morning, just waiting to open these shops. It looks like an open gym here in this city. This one is a Shiv Shahi bus. It is a premium bus service. It is an playground area which is under construction. Now people here in the comment section can mention whether this place is called any chalk or a square, since I am confused and not able to tell which kind of area is this. In front of me is a single line shopping complex which is closed, and It is mainly operated in evening time. You can see lot of rush here. Oh, this one is also a local bus service. Wow, that one is a mini forest area. Now people generally in European countries they walk around 4 to 5 kilometers at an average. That's why their health is very good. And in India, you won't see much people walking here. Now people should encourage walking and cycling because it is good for their health. Now this shop is opening early morning. As you can see, this is a religious symbol in saffron flag. So there are many such religious symbols in top of the house. Kids are waiting for their school to be open. It's good that school is opening early morning. Now the best part about HDFC Bank is that and Axis Bank is that it is open in many small towns and provide their services to even villages and also tier 2 and tier 3 cities. This whole complex seems to be occupied by some financial companies. Just look at that, Muthoot, PinCorp, IDBI Bank, Tata AIA.